Now let's look at their market opportunities. As Americans continue to drink less soda, LaCroix should be positioned as methadone for the soda addict and part of a healthier lifestyle. Now, if you've ever been to Europe, you know that Europeans love sparkling water. When you order water in a restaurant, you have to specify whether you want still water or sparkling water. This would be a great market for them to enter and a logical next step for the company. At first, there were only 6 flavors of LaCroix. Now they're up to 20. Having so many flavors makes it impossible for stores to carry every single flavor, which creates scarcity in the market. National Beverage should further this strategy and use seasonal flavors that are only available for a limited time. Now to threats. The biggest threat to National Beverage is the threat of new entrants to the market. In February, PepsiCo launched their new sparkling water brand, Bubbly. Bubbly comes in cute, brightly colored, millennial-friendly cans and is available in 8 different flavors.